Okay, now as I establish this, I also want to establish that actually the hat doesn't actually come like this. I am so sorry, I have looked at it wrong. I had the hat like this, but it actually comes in a direction like this, in other words, where the face is down here, and which is no problem because we haven't removed that much wood. So even an experienced carver, I have to look at things sometimes. But what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and run this up here like this. Now we could have done it this way with the hat the way it is, but we're just going to take it off like that, and then this hat's got to be brought down so there's no problem there where it will actually come like this. Same thing over here, the way it does. So that's my mistake. I must have been looking at it. I should have been looking at it better. But you know what? We can make it work no matter what. But we haven't taken off that much wood yet, so. But this kind of joins in with here. Okay, see? No problem. No problem. See, as long as you don't take off too much wood. Okay. Even I make mistakes, folks. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and I'm just going to get this face down just a little bit where we kind of come to a point here. Not a point, but get it down just a little bit. Just like that. Okay. It's not really that we could have made it with a hat like that. That would have been interesting. But I want to get it kind of close to what I'm looking at. Okay. Like that. Okay. Just kind of like that. Just removing a little bit of the wood. Okay, now let me go ahead and separate this area from the hat. Begin to separate this area. There you go. And the same thing over here. This, see? Now the hat is going to be, of course, brought down to a pretty good thinness on the top of it. See, and then we just kind of come across like that, and look how it joins with the piece that we've been doing, see? And it'll just join with that area, see? Okay. And the same thing here, just like that. Okay, we're just going to kind of bring that hat down. And it gets pretty thin up here at the top, so. Alright, now, let's go ahead and come back here and start removing a little bit of wood in this area where the arm's going to be. We're just cutting this in here a little bit to show. It's just like a little sleeve around the bottom, such a way. So we're kind of just start bringing this area, bringing this down. This area here is not very big that we. In fact, it's going to be probably much thinner than this when we get through with it. Okay. It's getting there. We're working on it.